Back pass, Espino! And again, that running game para sa Santa Lucia, the moment they run, you can see yung energy level nila tumataas. Tapos, right there, nakikita natin yung trap nila, 2-2-1, full court trap, nakaset up na kaagad.
4 minutes having gone by here in the third quarter. Bola na kay Roger Yap. Pingris was not looking, and Pingris will miss. Rebound for Dennis Daa. 7 puntos ang inaabot ng Santa Lucia here in the third quarter. Here's Espino. Espino. Hold on, says referee Mar Montiel. There's a holding foul against Purefoods. Second person na laban kay Pingris at yan po ang pang-apat laban sa Purefoods. Noy Castillo is back on the playing court, replacing Roger Yap. Here's Miranda. 10 to shoot para sa Santa Lucia. Bola na kay Espino. It's Espino against Sadujo. Veteran against veteran. And Espino with nowhere to go.
11 rebounds in this game. He's only attempted once, and he's made it.
Here's James Yap. Off the glass. Raimundo. Pasa niya. Muntik magaw at hinawakan ni Derek Miranda si Romel Laduco.
So, alam natin, itong mga gwardiya ng Santa Lucia, agresibo sila. They run down loose balls. But the big men of Purefoods, at this point, matching them step by step, hustle per hustle.
Here's the Duhol. Outside. James Yap. Short. Williams with a rebound.
Well, it's not been James Yap shooting day after making that first three-point shot. Ang baba na nung field goal shooting nito si James Yap.
Well, they left Paulo Mendoza wide open, and they paid for it. Back inside the big dome for more Game 6 action. Santa Lucia gunning for its first All-Filipino championship in its history here in the PBA. Santa Lucia claiming that Kirby Raimundo may have committed a backcourt violation. Meantime, here's Kirby inside Pingris. Pingris, come shot!
Rico, lahat na ginagawa nito si Mark Pingris. Again, just lurking around that free throw line. Dennis Espino trying to block his shot. Athletic ability of Mark Pingris staying high in the air. Nakababa na si Dennis, siya tumitira pa rin.
It was Mark Pingris who set the tone from the opening quarter. Yung kanyang sigla, yun ang agad-agad nagbigay buhay dito sa atake ng Purefoods.
Kadalasan nandun sa mga coaches, meron silang sigla na nanggagaling sa bench as we see Dennis Espino. Usually you want that guy coming off the bench, but it's a do-or-die situation. Kailangan sa simula pa lang, mainit na kaagad ang simula ng Purefoods.
Well, if Pingris brings with him energy, what about Dennis Espino, the wealth of PBA experience?
Dennis Espino, one of the more successful amateur players in his time in the UAAP Wars and in the PBL Wars. Pagdating sa PBA, only one championship to show, and I'm sure he wants more than one.
Well, he can have one more if they win tonight. Airball mula sa Purefoods. Here's Espino. Espino, sidestep beauty. Da! Putback is good. And Dennis Da with some bonus points here para sa Santa Lucia.
Santa Lucia forced to go deeper into this bench. They couldn't get anything from most of their players na ginamit nila doon sa unang rotation. Eto, si Dennis Da, tumulong na rin. And right now, Miko, that press giving Purefoods some headaches. Pinapahirapan sila magbaba ng bola.
Well, no natural point guard really here sa lineup ng Purefoods on the court. Here's Castillo over to Simon. Shoot to shoot. Simon fires. No go. Adugo got the basketball and the putback.
It's been the trash players para sa Purefoods. Mark Pingris, 14 points, 15 rebounds. Romel Laduco, that would be his third point, his fifth point. Tapos 12 rebounds with 7 offensive rebounds.
But what about Dennis Espino? Turning the hands of time. And now with 14 points, he is really leading the way para dito sa Santa Lucia.
Well, he is the captain and he is the one talking to the players. Kahapon, siya yung nagbigay ng pep talk, but you have to lead by example. At yan ang ginagawa nito si Dennis Espino.
Completing the steal is Miranda. Just a 2-point deficit here. Yan ang kailangan habulin dito ng Santa Lucia. They were down by as many as 10 points earlier in the ball game. Bola na kay Espino. He has been the man of the moment para sa Santa Lucia. Espino attacks and he misses. And it's going to be loose ball foul. At teka, Adukal at Daa are going at it. Ang gusto natin malaman, kanino tinawag yung personal foul?
Well, the personal foul is going to go to Dennis Daa as he tried to tap that basketball.
Number 14, Dennis Daa. That is his first personal foul on the Realtors.
Well, there was, it seemed like...
Technical foul on number 10, Romel Adukal for second motion.
And then there is a technical foul assessed on Romel Adukal for second motion.
Well, Romel Adukal felt that nung tinatap nito si Dennis Daa yung bola, sa kanya pumunta yung kamay nito si Dennis Daa, as we see here. Well, tapos na dito yung play. This is after the play, kaya tinawagan ng second motion si Romel Adukal.
At pumasok yung technical free throw for Dennis Espino sa makatwid. Isa na lang ang abante ng Pure Foods, 49-48. Tandaan po natin, do or die itong laro na ito para sa Pure Foods. There is no tomorrow if they lose tonight. James Yap, Tingris. And that's going to be a reach and foul against Paulo Mendoza.
Slight adjustment on the part of Pure Foods, Miko. Now they bring in 3 guards. They're having trouble bringing down. But going back to what I was saying, now you have PJ Simon, now you have James Yap, now you have Noy Castillo. All of them are guards. But the problem is, and what has been the problem in this series, none of them are actual point guards.
If you go over, itong Pure Foods, masasabi mo siguro si Chico Lanete lang talaga yung totoong point guard. Because even Roger Yap, but not really a traditional point guard.
I remember Roger Yap, when he entered Pure Foods, when he was drafted, he wasn't a point guard. When he went to Shell, dun lang siya naging gwardya.
In fact, if you really want to go into it, baka si Ronnie Magsanok pa talaga yung totoong point guard dyan. Even Ryan Gregorio. Meantime, James Yap tinawagan ng kanyang third personal foul.
Well, we mentioned there are 3 guards para sa Pure Foods. Ngayon naman, may problema sila defensively. Nakita natin, ang ginawa ng Santa Lucia, pinoste si Dennis Daa dun sa bumabantay sa kanya, because they have 3 big men compared to only 2 big men on the side of Pure Foods.
Izod, America's premium leisure wear, known for its technology-inspired clean designs and colorful product lines. Visit an Izod store now. And Dennis Daa, the surprise package from the bench, Dynamite of Santa Lucia, has tied the ball game at 50. Only our 4th deadlock of the evening. At sino ang babasag sa ating deadlock? Will it be James Yap? Will it be Peter Jun Simon? Simon attacks and he misses. And there's a foul. It will go against Pure Foods.
This story seems to be going the regular storyline of this series. Pure Foods goes out on a big start. Makakuha sila ng lamang in the first quarter and in the first half. Pagdating ng third quarter, bumubulusok itong Santa Lucia. They have overcome a 10-point lead thus far. At ito, now they have a chance to get the lead.
And it all emanates from their defense.
That defense finally really picked up dito sa yung full court defense nila, finally picked up dito sa second half para sa Santa Lucia. And you know what was the reason, Rico? One of the reasons why they're able to do that? They are making the second part of their free throws, and when they make the second part of their free throws, that means they can set up their 2-2-1 full court defense.
Ito, look down, mga kaibigan. Lamang na po ang Santa Lucia, 51-50. Make that 52-50 after trailing by as many as 10 points dito sa Game 6.
Para sa Pure Foods, Coach Ryan still trying to get his key players some rest. James Yap, nakakuha na siya ng 3-4 na minuto sa quarter na to. Now, it's Kirby Raimundo on the bench trying to get some rest.